Hi, everyone. This lesson is going to be for Thursday and it's going to be very short, but we're coming into the final stretch of the class now. So I want to show you what assignments are going to be graded because some people came on late and they're not sure exactly what's going to be graded. So you're going to have about 18 grades. It's a lot because there are six strands in this class. So you're going to do a typing Nearpod, and you're going to do how computers work Nearpod, a computer technology quizzes, a digital footprint quizzes, or the Nearpod for this one. I graded either one because the quiz was the same in the Nearpod. The digital citizen project is 2 grades. A table in a document when we did the breakfast food, a Nearpod on slides. We did spreadsheets. We did the digital media job opportunities in Utah Futures. We did a job application. And we did the digital media Nearpod. And the last thing we have done is a resume. But we still have a few more. The email that I gave you today, the quizzes, I'm grading that twice. And then the last thing that we're going to have to do for the class is we're going to do a project that's going to involve doing a document, graphs, and the overall presentation. So all of these are in Google Classroom up to this point. So you need to, look for them if you didn't do them yet. If you want, I could do a Google Meet with you. If you're not sure how to do something or you want me to explain this in more detail. But one thing I did want to show you, you're not going to have to do an assignment on this, but I think this is really cool. Another way to communicate on the internet is to do a review on a product or a place you've gone to, like a restaurant or a hotel that you stayed at. So I do this all the time because if there's a lot of negative reviews, I'm not going to want to go to that hotel or I'm not going to want to go to that restaurant. So I'm just going to show you this. Now, you guys can look at this and have fun. You don't have to write anything though. I'm giving you a break because we have a lot of stuff that I want some of you to catch up on. So let's say you want to look up headphones. That's mostly what students look up. Make sure it's appropriate, of course. See the stars here? The more stars, the better the review. So these look like they're pretty good because they have almost 5 stars colored in. So I want you to click on whatever one you want and you can read the reviews and what people thought, because that's what helps you want to buy certain products. So this one says excellent headphones and it talks about how good it is. But there are some that were 1 star. So I'm curious to see what those say. Creak, creak, noise overpowers music. So that's one that someone said. Good sound for price, strong noise cancellation, terrible quality hardware. So it just varies, Some people don't like it, some do, but this will help you decide what to buy, any buying decisions that you do. So you don't have to do anything with this. If you're ever going to write a review, my best advice to you is not to put anything negative on there. Because remember, we talked about this in internet safety. Anything you put on the internet is permanent. So you don't want to have inappropriate things on there. You don't want to have bad language on there. So it's okay to say you don't like something, but you need to not be like with, I don't know, just have bad language and stuff like that. So that's just some advice that I want to give you. And this is for Thursday, even though I'm going to post it early. And on Friday, I'm going to do another quick talk with you that you're not going to have to hand in anything. So you pretty much have from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to catch up on any work you haven't finished yet. Because the last day of school for all of you is May 22nd. So believe it or not, May 1st is in a couple days. It's on Friday. So it's coming up really, really fast. So have a good time looking up reviews on things because I always laugh at them because I think it's really interesting. So you guys have a great day and I will talk to you soon.